Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of products to find the best of the best. Today, we're looking at what many consider to be the best-rated motorcycle battery on the market. The YTX4L-BS 12V 3Ah motorcycle battery by Mighty Max Battery. Now, what makes this battery stand out from the rest? Let's take a closer look. First off, this battery packs a punch with 50 cold cranking amps and a capacity of 3 ampere-hours. That means reliable power to start your motorcycle every time, even in cold weather conditions. But power isn't the only thing this battery has going for it. Its compact size, measuring at just 4.40 inches by 2.90 inches by 3.42 inches, means it can fit snugly into most motorcycle battery compartments without any hassle. Plus, it's built with absorbed glass mat technology, making it spill-proof and maintenance-free. No more worrying about acid spills or topping up water levels. And here's the kicker. This battery isn't just for motorcycles. It's versatile enough to power ATVs, personal watercraft, snowmobiles, and more. So, whether you're tearing up the trails or cruising down the highway, this battery has got you covered. But here's the best part. Despite its high performance and quality build, this battery won't break the bank. With prices starting at just $19.99, it's a steal for the peace of mind it provides. So, if you're in the market for a reliable, high-performance motorcycle battery that won't let you down, look no further than the YTX4L-BS by Mighty Max Battery. It's no wonder why it's considered the best-rated motorcycle battery out there. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy riding!